Yeah, when I'm at the mall, security just can't fight them all. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in a Speedo trying to tan my cheeks. What? This is how I roll. Come on, ladies, it's time to go. We headed to the bar, baby, don't be nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and I still get service. Watch. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body.
Il passaggio a metà gara con la Michelon che vira in testa dall'ottava corsia 29,69. Per la seconda serie ai blocchi Elena Vittoria Carraro, Gabbiano in 1, Lucrezia Tosin, Team Veneto in 2, Emma Fabretto, Mirano in 3, Irene Zaminato, Team Veneto in 4, Giorgia Mason, Gabbiano in 5, Giorgia Berto, Mirano in 6, Martina Magnago, Arca Spilimbergo in 7, Laura Giacalone, Gabbiano in 8. Anna Bellò 1:01:68 per la vittoria.